Let's make a super cute s'mores themed book stack. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I start with this box from Dollar Tree. This is a fake book stack. Don't get crazy. And then I mixed some brown with some orange because I needed some, I wanted the color to look like graham cracker. So that's what I did here. I'm sure you could find a color that would match graham cracker without having to make it. And all I'm going to do is paint one. See how there are like 3 different lines here with the wood on the box? I'm just going to paint one of them with the graham cracker color. Then one of them I'm going to paint white. And then the top one I'm going to paint a dark brown. The dark brown that I used was the color was Java. So there, I also, see, here comes the Java. There we go. Hopefully nobody's sick of my s'mores theme yet. Listen, I get on a kick and I can't get off it. Anyway, so I decided that it would be cool to do some decor stuff and not just, fun little, things that everybody, individual things. So anyways, I continued this brown on the bottom. I went all the way around. I originally wasn't going to do this. Originally, it was just going to be the 3 little slats, and I was going to leave it at that. But then I decided, you know what? Let's make it so that it's available all 4 sides. So I just continued that line for each on the sides and on the other side as well. And it wasn't hard to do. You just follow the line. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's a s'more and s'mores aren't perfect. I painted the very top of the box or the bottom with the Java as well. Let that dry. Now I got these letters at Dollar Tree and I am loving them. I set out my letters. I put P-R-A-Y first and I'm using a little acrylic block. See how I set them all out so that they were upside down, and then you put your acrylic block on and then it's exactly the way you would be, stamping it. Then I put my ink on it and then I stamped it. Perfect. And I did the same thing on the bottom. See how it says s'mores and it's on just like I would put it on the acrylic block. But this way it's already lined up. That's just a little tip for you. You put that on there and I'm just using black ink. There it is. And this block did not come from Dollar Tree, but they do sell them at Dollar Tree. And then I just made sure to do that. You might have to do it a couple times if you don't press your stamper evenly. And there's that. If you don't and don't want to stamp again, just use a Sharpie. I just went over mine with a Sharpie just to make it so that you could see that it says Pray S'more. Isn't that fun? I thought it was super cute. I love it. Super cute. My family is obsessed with s'mores. Funny story, I don't like them. Isn't that weird? I don't like marshmallows. I'm not into milk chocolate. But I love the decor piece of it. I love the way they look. I want to like them. Listen, love me through it. I want to like them. I just can't do it. It's like watermelon. I can't do it. So then after I did that, I wrapped some jute around the side and just tied it in a nice little knot. And there's that. And then I did actually add some fake s'mores. Stay tuned for this. I will show you how I made my faux s'mores. I'll show you how I made those soon. Okay. So anyways, friends, isn't it so cute? I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. And I hope this inspires you.